Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to ask you guys if anyone knows how to fix my computer. Because it's charging, but it won't turn on. And the charge is connected over here. And there goes the wire. All the way down there. And there's the charging port. And it won't turn on. And this is what happens when I try to turn it on. If you pay attention to the LED lights right here, this one and this one. This is what happens. It just turns off. And then the charging button turns on. And if you guys know, then tell me, because I need my computer back. Definitely. Yeah. Thanks. See you guys in the next video.